Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix apps not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart mobile, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. Restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. Enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, you check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, the last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on apps. Click on system and update. You will see first option is software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix apps not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.